We conclude our Bali journey on its peaceful shores. Part 3 takes us from the quiet dawn of Sanur to the legendary sunset of Tanah. Sanur is often called the morning of the world. It's a place of quiet contemplation where the day begins with a gentle, golden glow. The 5-kilometer coastal path is perfect for a morning stroll, shared by locals and travelers alike as the island wakes up. Icons of the Sanur coastline, these traditional gazebos offer a front-row seat to the beauty of the rising sun. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The shore is lined with jukungs, traditional Balinese fishing boats, their bright colors standing out against the turquoise lagoon. Each boat is a work of art, often decorated with the gajah mina, an elephant fish creature believed to protect the fishermen at sea. The offshore reef keeps these waters exceptionally calm, creating a massive natural mirror for the changing colors of the sky. Life here is measured by these small, daily acts of gratitude woven into the rhythm of the tides. On clear mornings, the mighty Mount Agung reveals itself, a sacred guardian watching over the entire island. As the sun climbs higher, we travel across the island to the west coast, where the landscape takes on a more dramatic character. We arrive at Tanah, perhaps Bali's most iconic landmark, a temple that feels as though it were born from the sea itself. Built in the 16th century, Tanah is one of 7 sea temples that form a spiritual chain around the coast. Its appearance changes with the tides. At high tide, it appears to float, entirely surrounded by the power of the Indian Ocean. When the tide is low, you can walk across the rocks to the very base of the temple, feeling the spray of the sea on your skin. Here, you can receive a blessing from the holy freshwater spring that mysteriously flows from the heart of the saltwater rock. The architecture is a testament to Balinese craftsmanship, standing strong against centuries of relentless waves and salt air. The cliffside paths offer endless vantage points, each one revealing a new facet of this sacred site's majestic beauty. Just a short walk away is Batu Bolong, the hollow stone, where a natural archway frames the crashing surf. It's a masterpiece of natural architecture, where the ocean has carved its own path through the ancient limestone. The black volcanic sand reflects the drama of the coast, a stark contrast to the white shores we visited earlier today. The emerald green moss on the rocks glows in the late afternoon light, adding a touch of softness to the rugged landscape. As the golden hour begins, Tanah is bathed in a warm, ethereal light that has captivated visitors for centuries. This is the moment everyone waits for, the temple standing as a dark, graceful silhouette against the fire of the Balinese sky. In the twilight that follows, a profound sense of peace settles over the coast, a timeless connection to the divine. From the rice terraces of Ubud to the cliffs of Uluwatu and the shores of Tanah, Bali has shared its soul with us. This island is more than just a destination, it's a feeling that stays with you long after the journey ends. Thank you for exploring the island of gods with us. We hope these walks have brought a piece of Bali into your world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.